This is the Boyue Meebook P10 Pro. This is made by parent company Howking out of mainland China that is now taking control of Boyue and Meebook's production. This is a 10, not a 10.3 inch, e-reader with an Android 11 operating system, Bluetooth 5.0, 3 gigs of RAM, and a glow light, and it's only $340. I love that more and more companies are using this wax paper as opposed to plastic. We have enough plastic in the world. This wax paper is fully translucent, it keeps the device safe, and it degrades much quicker than plastic because plastic takes hundreds of years to degrade. I'm going to put that off to the side just for now. Here's the quick start guide. You can see thematically they're still going with the same color combinations as Boyue did, as to not kind of change the identity too much. And for the here and now, we have confirmed with Meebook that they are still functioning with Boyue for certain operations. You have the USB-C and the quick start guide. Now, you do have a couple other things here, but they come in separate boxes. First is the active capacitive pen by Meebook. Unfortunately, this device requires you to utilize a pen that has a quadruple A battery. The pen itself is very nice, but unfortunately, you need to go into the side canister here and grab the quadruple A battery from here, pop it in there, and seal it all back up before you can use it. You cannot use it to its full extent without the battery inside. It does have a couple buttons on board and replaceable tips with 2 replacement nibs in the bag. You get one more thing actually, and that is the Meebook P10 Pro protective case. Even though the device is only $340, you get a free pen and you get a free case. And this is a sleep cover as well as it has a holder on it. So the back is going to be this silicone gel. You can see it's very malleable. And the inside is going to be a suede insert as to not scratch your device. And the outside is going to be this very nice as well suede. But the design itself is more of a marbled denim kind of thing. So it is very nice. Now moving over to the device itself to take a look at that. Slide it out of the wax paper, put that off to the side. This is a flush screen and bezel. It is running a glass screen, but most of these companies put some sort of protective screen protector from factory. It is not meant to take off. The back is very nice. It is this kind of jagged 45-degree angle strokes to simulate kind of brushed aluminum, but it is plastic. The side has nothing on this side. This side has nothing on this side at all. You have a couple things on the bottom. Finally, a microphone that actually says microphone. Most of them don't actually say what's in it, and you have to read the user manual to see what it is. You have a couple Torx screws for access, a USB-C, a speaker on the bottom, and a power button up top with an LED status indicator light. Now we're going to do a first-time boot up, but not for any reason other than to just show you it boots up. Because we don't need to check if Meebook or Boyue products have English, because that's one of their main selling points, is that they have multiple languages under their belt. We don't need to confirm, but we'll show you just for the fun of it. Once it's booted up, go ahead and click English, click on the next step, set up your Wi-Fi, go through the setup process. You don't need to do anything out of a mandatory nature. You can mostly just skip everything and get to the very end of the road. But for now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Boyue/Meebook P10 Pro 10-inch e-note with Android on board. Stay tuned for the full review in the days to come. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.